9 rounds ago, we started this thing out with 411 entries. 2 of them remain. We're under the lights in Columbus. This is your Fuel Factory final round for $25,000. Mike Matty Jr. and Braden Bowden. Matty's in the left, dialed 467. He'll get the jump over Bowden, dialed 439, right-hand side. Matty's in first. Bowden flickers it in. Tree fires. 2 green lights and 3 foul separate them. Win light to Mike Matty Jr. 21 up front, gets there 4 thou to be dead on 5. 26 total for $25,000. Braden Bowden, your runner-up. He lets go 18, puts it 1 above 1 to be 4 thou behind. Mike Matty Jr., your $25,000 champion. As we kick things off here at the Laris Motorsports Insurance TB Promotions 75K. Congratulations to Mike Matty Jr. Congratulations to Dominic Bowden. That's the way we want to close it out.